Hey guys, what's going on? It's Be Lucky's back again this week for another video of me explaining it all to you. So here we are back again working with Reclaim Hosting. If you guys remember from the last video, we used Grav. Well, for this one today, we're going to be using WordPress. So if you're using Reclaim Hosting, WordPress will be the first installation that you'll be able to see when you go to them. So you'll click on that and you want to install it here. And I already have it installed. So we'll go to my applications. And then if I click this admin link right here, it would take me over to here, which is where you can customize everything. So what we're going to be looking at today is the main page right here. And we're going to be discussing whether or not you would want to use the block editor or the classic editor. Now, a lot of people like to use the classic editor because, it's simple. It's kind of the same way Grav was set up, actually. Whereas the block editor is a little bit different. There's a bit of a learning curve with it, as with all things new in technology. But so the scenario we're doing is whether or not this couple who owns a soap company would want to switch to the block editor because of the learning curve, whether or not it's worth moving it or not. So, and I think it is because I think it is a lot easier to edit everything. I mean, like you can drag and drop like everything wherever you want to, or you can just move it down like this, move it up, and as you can see, it's a soap website, so I threw in some memes for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy those. And we can actually switch to the classic editor so that you guys can get feel of what that is like. And yeah, you see here, it's just one big box where you can put everything in. And the one thing I found out with this too, I think it's a little bit more difficult adding media into this. Whereas you have to go here and you can drag and drop stuff. But on a few occasions, it came up with only the link to the image and not the actual image for me. So I didn't find that as easy to use actually as the block editor, which I would definitely recommend. I don't think it's that difficult to learn. There's a lot more things up here for editing, like your text and all that, and I thought it was a lot easier actually. So if you're going to use WordPress, I would recommend using the block editor for it because I just found it a lot simpler and everything. So that's today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and hopefully maybe it can help you out with a future website you might be working on later on. So that's me signing off. Have a good one, guys.